Kay Western Visayas, we're here at Iloilo Sports Complex, of course, as we continue to feature people, places, events, and lifestyle. And with me, today is of course, isa sa mga ginapabugal sa mga Ilonggo. So, dito na pagpatugayan, let's get to know this person nga balaan ta makapa-inspire not just the people of Iloilo but the whole Western Visayas. With me is one of the outstanding women of Iloilo City. So, with my pride, I'll introduce to you Miss Nympha Tablan. Ma'am, good day, Western Visayas. Okay, so for the information, sa tanan, si Ma'am Nympha is how old yan?
I am 72 years old. I will be 73 on January.
Wow. And you know what? At the age of 72, now turning 73, nakitaan naman yun kung ano kalawig ang swimming pool. How long po siya pwede mabalik-balik? Ilan siya ka-beses balik?
May pulo pa Hawaii lang, I could finish them.
Wow.
That's 500. That's only 500 meters.
At the age of 72. Wow. Ma'am, that's ano na lang, go back to the history kung paano siya nag-umpisa ang swimming career. At the age of...
I started the swimming career when I was in the high school. Nag-start ako sa competitive swimming, first year high school.
And then, actually, you-join tingin na competition.
Oo. Sa high school, sa unang nga timpo, ang ICC, now UI, was the champion in swimming in the whole Philippines. So I was inspired. Kay one of the champions in Iloilo City, the champion at that time, there were two, Heidi Coloso Espino and Adelaida Ardenio. So I was inspired by them to join the swimming team.
Ma'am, have you given the chance to compete, to represent Iloilo in the national level?
Not only in Iloilo, but I was able to compete in the Asian Games.
Wow.
Second Asian Games and third Asian Games, which was held at Tokyo, Japan. When I was in the second year high school, I was already a member of the Philippine swimming team.
Okay, so...
For the Asian Games.
Balikan na nakaroon ng career na Ma'am Nympha, no? Let's go talk about the family that you have. So, you are married?
Yeah. I have...
How many children?
I have 5 children, and 2 of them were famous swimmers of Iloilo. And they are coaches at the same time, they are trainers at the same time. One of my son is now in Singapore teaching swimming. He has been there teaching swimming for the past 4 years.
So, ikaw man ang naging trainer nila during their years as they grow on?
I was the one who formed their strokes, who taught them how to swim, and then when they were fast enough, I gave them to as a coach whom I knew could make them faster swimmers. Kaya ako hindi ko dalok. I know my limitations. So, ginahatag ko ang akon, bisan diri subong, ang akon diri nga mga swimmers nga mga nagaling sa akon, ginapasalo ko na sa namin nga coach nga siya makapadasa. Because that is the only way we can produce national swimmers.
Okay. And you know what? Bago kagina, no? I'm very proud to present to you this woman, no? My lola at the age of 70, medyo gub-gub na siya gamay, no? But then, pwede ka stand lang dadali lang. Look at Ma'am Nympha. Di ba? At the age of 72. Okay. So, Ma'am Nympha, ano na lang anong mahatag ng advice for those nag-aspire to become a swimmer, and of course health tips na lang natin sa mga kaedad or sa mga nag-going old, at least ma-maintain ang
Sa mga children, I want the children, all children to learn how to swim because that is a life preparation, a lifetime, ano ba yun? Protection, no? Tapos, but not all of them could become swimmers, no, of caliber, national caliber. May ara gid kita ginatawag nga mga potentials. So ang mga potentials gina-encourage ko na pati ang mga parents nga they should guide their children. Kay kung ang kabataan nga bisan potential sila, kag pabayaan lang nila sa swimming pool, hindi manuto ang kabataan. Kinanglan may parents diya nga ara dira nga nagaunay nga nagabantay sa kabataan. That way, isundon gina nilang kabataan nila tugtong mag-high school. Pagka-redusan buhian na nila, yayaya, basta sa lang high school, igaidan gina sila. Alright. Then, for the swimmers, they should have the 3 Ds. Discipline, they should have discipline, dedication, and devotion. Amoy na ang the 3 Ds of athletics para mangin champion.
You see, so hindi na yun na paglipatan ang 3 Ds, no? Discipline, devotion, and dedication. Okay? So, you know what, ma'am, we're
Sa
very...
mga tigulang namo when you grow old, hindi ka magsiling na, ay, malugyan na ako, maano na ako. No! You keep on moving. You keep on moving. Kung anong inaobra mo, sige, ang obra mo. And then, you also try to continue your good growth. You look at me. Tanaw yung mga skin mo. At 72, dapat kulubot na ako, di ba? Oh.
That's why, ma'am, no, ako na sa dito kagina, no, this show is really glad to feature you because of course, tamo kita ma-inspire ng mga tao. And you're not just actually extraordinary, but then mo tong balta an inspiration. At least may sundan ang aton yung mga aspiring swimmers, no? So thank you so much, ma'am, for that opportunity ginatag mo sa amon nga makaulog na namon. And of course, we're looking forward nga at the age of 100 swimmer ka man Japon.
I hope I could look like Barbara Cartland. At the age of 88, she looks wonderful. Yeah, she looks young.
Okay, so thank you so much again. No, so sa mga viewers na to, no, hindi tanan mahatagan sa oportunidad or sa abusin niya ikasarang, no, just like Ma'am Ninfa. And of course, hindi man tanan mahatagan sa award, no, or mambalta nga ma-recognize ang city as one of the outstanding women. No? So that's why nga very very happy din kami sa Good Day Western Visayas. Yeah, we met Ma'am Ninfa. So again, just continue to watch Good Day Western Visayas at YouTube account, of course, of the Good Day. Just type Good Day Western Visayas. And of course, every Friday, Saturday, and Sunday at Channel 13 and Channel 17 of Sky Cable. So again, I am your host, June Patrimonio Cortal, and Ma'am Ninfa. This is Good Day Western Visayas.